Hey guys, I'm back. Today is the last day of harvesting corn, so we'll give it one more go at Rachel's and then we'll be done. So harvesting 2021 will come to an end. I'm currently with Zeph.
Oh, there you go.
Hey Zeph. So as you can see, we have Glenfarmy hats. You can pre-order hats by DMing us on Instagram. So
we got some more hats coming.
So now we're about to go in the fields to check Bernie in the combine, Pops. And we have a drone now, so we will have better content. Hey dog. Who's a good girl? Last day of corn, Sam. So this wagon is filled up. Hey Zeph.
Good looking corn in here, not too dirty.
So me and Zaf are about to go in the fields and we'll see you there.
Here's a few drone clips of harvest.
Turn out your feet, get your hooks in, let it go. Feel the power straight out the gate, but it ain't too late. Roll your hips on, get back in the flow. 8 seconds is a long damn time. It's more than the shine in the buckle, broken hearts, busted knuckles. You know you gotta hustle. You're sifting through the rubble to find your soul's on the line and you're running behind. It's more than the shine. Sometimes you land on your feet or accept defeat. Pick yourself up, get back.
5 miles an hour on my international harvester. 3 miles of cars laying on their horns, falling on deaf ears of corn.
Nothing like some good bestiality.
Tractors are like watermelons. You keep the red,
Throw the green away.
harvest cleanup's going well. I hired Zeph to clean up the trash.
It's not coming off. Oh well, it's gonna come off. It's made cheap.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Hey, check me out though. Currently in the 8160, so I'm bringing wagons in the shed. The 8160 is filled up, the T7's filled up. Zeph, he's currently in the combine with my dad, so I'll keep you updated. Wagons are, there's one more wagon that needs to be filled up. It's currently halfway full, so once that's done, we'll call it a day. Hey guys, me and my dog were just chilling. We came back from the fields. There's maybe 7 to 9 stripes left, which mean we'll finish tomorrow, Monday. I hope you liked it. We're selling Glenfarmy hats on Instagram, so If you're interested, you can always DM us. DM us means direct message. Our options are gray, like mine. There's black, orange, and camo. So you can always text us on Instagram if you're interested. And yeah, that's a wrap. I hope you liked it. Peace.